Does the Indian education system need a makeover? The answer, according to the Indian government, is a resounding yes. In a bold move, the National Education Policy, NEP, for the academic year 2023 to 2024 has been thoroughly revamped, introducing a series of modifications designed to better equip students with 21st century skills. The focus, research, innovation, and quality. The goal to elevate the standard of education across the nation, backed by increased funding allocations. One of the major changes is the introduction of the all 5+3+3+4 model, replacing the traditional 10+2 structure. Education is now divided into 4 distinct stages, each designed to gradually introduce and reinforce essential skills and concepts. In line with modern assessment methods, the weightage for competency-based multiple-choice questions in Class 10 and 12 exams has been significantly increased, reducing the emphasis on traditional short and long answer-type questions. This shift is expected to foster critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. The concept of stream divisions in Class 11 is now a thing of the past, offering students more flexibility in choosing subjects. There will be no stream divisions in Class 11. With the option to select 8 subjects from a range of 16 essential courses, students in Classes 9 and 10 are set to experience interdisciplinary learning throughout Classes 11 and 12. And in a move to alleviate the pressure of a single exam, Class 12 students now have the unique opportunity to take board exams twice a year, selecting the better percentage from the 2 attempts. These groundbreaking amendments herald a new era in education, emphasizing holistic development and adaptability. It's crucial for students to make the most of these changes to maximize their learning potential. In conclusion, the revamped National Education Policy has brought about significant changes designed to modernize and improve the Indian education system. This new approach aims to foster a learning environment that encourages creativity, critical thinking, and interdisciplinary study, paving the way for a brighter future for Indian students.